Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to block ChatGPT integration with Siri in macOS Sequoia 15 or later. With the introduction of macOS Sequoia 15 or later, Apple has introduced the ability to integrate Siri with ChatGPT, thereby allowing users to perform tasks more efficiently with advanced AI capability. However, you might prefer to disable this feature for privacy reasons or personal preference. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first we have to hit the Apple menu located at the top left corner of the screen and then choose the System Settings option in the drop-down menu. And then you have to scroll down a bit and choose the Screen Time option. And then you have to select Content and Privacy option. And under this section, look for Intelligence and Siri option and select it. And then you have to turn off the toggle right next to ChatGPT integration. And finally you have to click on the Done button to confirm and save your changes. And there you have it. With these steps completed, Siri will continue to operate as usual, but without ChatGPT's advanced AI enhancements. This is a pretty straightforward way to maintain control over how AI is used on your macOS device. Whether for privacy, security, or simplicity, disabling ChatGPT integration helps you tailor Siri's functionality to your needs. Don't worry, you can always re-enable this feature from the same Screen Time menu. And there you have it. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and share it, and I'll catch you up with the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.